How to set up your Pinterest profile for success. Your Pinterest profile is more than just a space, it's your first impression. Whether you're here to grow a brand or share ideas, setting up your profile the right way helps you stand out and get found. Today we'll walk through the key elements of a strong Pinterest profile: username, display name, bio, profile picture, and banner. Let's get started. Choosing the right username. Our username is your Pinterest identity. It shows up in your URL and plays a huge role in how searchable and memorable your account is. Use your brand or business name if possible. If it's taken, try variations like @JaneDoeDesigns instead of random numbers like @Jane12345. Keep it clear and on brand. Crafting your display name. Your display name can be different from your username and should highlight your niche. Instead of just Jane Doe, say Jane Doe Home Decor Ideas. This little tweak boosts discoverability and gives visitors an instant idea of your content focus. Writing a killer bio. Your bio is short but mighty. Use it to clearly explain what your account is about and who you help. Example: easy, delicious recipes for busy families, quick meals, meal prep tips, and kitchen hacks. Focus on your niche. Include keywords and avoid being vague. Picking the perfect profile picture. Your profile picture builds trust. For personal brands, use a high-quality headshot with good lighting. For businesses, a clean logo works best. Avoid clutter, text overlays, or generic stock images. Make sure your pic is recognizable, even in a tiny circle. Customizing your profile banner. Your profile banner is your visual showcase. It's optional, but adding one strengthens your brand presence. Highlight your products, services, or niche focus, but keep it clean and simple. If you skip it, Pinterest will show your latest pins as a dynamic background, which still looks great. Final tips and call to action. Taking the time to optimize your profile tells your audience you're here with purpose. Your username, bio, and visuals should all work together to say, "Here's who I am, and here's what I offer." Now you're ready to make a powerful first impression and grow your Pinterest presence. Liked this video? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Pinterest tips, and comment below. What's the first thing you plan to update on your profile?